The Information Technology and Communication Department Meghalaya today handed over laptops to meritorious students who excelled in the Class 10 and 12 Board Examination 2020 of MBOS, CBSE, ICSE and ISC at a program held in Yojana Bhavan Auditorium, Shillong. The felicitation ceremony was graced by the Information Technology and Communication Minister Shri Hamlet Dawling as the chief guest. In his speech, the minister lauded the hard work and sacrifices of the students in achieving success in their exams. Acknowledging that parents and teachers play a vital role in the students' achievements, he said that it is a proud moment for parents and teachers to see that their children have excelled in the academic pursuit of merit, while adding that it is also a proud moment for the government to acknowledge the efforts of the young boys and girls in facing the challenges of this competitive world. Shri Dawling urged the students to write upon their accomplishments and continue to strive forward in pursuit of their dreams with the same dedication and commitment so that they can be responsible citizens of the state and the country. Others who were present at the program include Shri M.R. Sunram, Commissioner and Secretary, Information Technology and Communication Department, and Shri K.L. Nongbri, Director, Directorate of IT and Communication.
It's one of the biggest and important programs. I congratulate each and every one of you for your hard work, for your sacrifice that you have achieved up to this time. I would like to take the advantage also to congratulate to your parents, your school teachers, for your working hand in hand with you to see that we grow and reach up to this position. My dear students, myself, I have been involved, affiliated with this program for a very long time. Right from 1993, I have been initiated this kind of program to give recognition to the students and to felicitate to the students who have come out successfully in their exam. At the time, I was in the Students' Union, later as the General Secretary of the Kasi Students' Union. We never forget in our day-to-day life in our work to see and address this issue. At the time, we used to go from one locality to the locality. Every nook and corner of the state, we used to go and felicitate all the students who come out successfully in their exam. At the time, we just giving to them only their memento and certificate. But we can see they are happy and they feel encouraged by such program. Friends, I do appreciate the government of Meghalaya has accepted this model, this project, adopted by the TCU at that time, where the government in 2007, if I am not mistaken, it was under by RG as minister, start from government to come up with this scheme by representing the top students with laptop. Friends, you may say that this program might be small, tiny one, but it will have a big impact in your life. To get the recognition, it's not a matter of joke. It is the big achievement. That's why the government of Meghalaya, or the IT department, we would like to continue this program because we feel that it is a better program and the students get encouraging with this program. So I do hope that the program that we do to organize will not go in vain. We are looking at you. You are the future of the state. It is you. One day, you will come and take over to run the state. We would like to see that. We have a lot of IS officers, MMS, IS, MS officers in the state. But one day, they have to be retired. One day they will be retired from the service. Who will come and sit here, etc., to run this beautiful state? Of course, we need officers also from our state to come to our state. Well, fine. But we will love to see that our own young person here will take over to run the state. This is the bottom of this program. We recognize your hard work. We recognize your achievement. But please, don't make it useless. I know this is very, very difficult time for you. From the age from 18 to 25, 26, it is a very crucial age. Lots of conditions, lots of ups and downs is there. But mind you, do take in your life. Election is one of the top priority in your life. Election is just a part of investment. What will be your asset after all? So my dear friend, with this program, I would like to urge upon you, please don't give hope, don't lose hope, but do have the vision, do have the spirit to fulfill your ambition. I know each and every one of you, you have the aim in life. You have the ambition. Many of you, somebody want to become doctor, somebody want to become engineer, somebody want to become IS and all. This will not come easily like that. But you have to strive and to work hard. You have to sacrifice. You have to give everything. Sacrifice for 5 years. The burden of the future will be in your hand. This time, we are going to facilitate with this program 262 students. But today, we are only only 30 of you. Thus, we will communicate with them so that they will come and collect a small gift which are prepared from the IT department. So with this few words, once again, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. Please be focused. There's more achievement in your life. If you are serious about it, I hope this beautiful city, one day, a young person here will come and sit here to run the national state of Meghalaya. Please, everyone, thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. Will take care of you, will guide you in your life from now on, and make sure that whatever you are doing, we are doing for your own interests, for the family, for the country, and especially for the state of Meghalaya. God bless you all. Thank you. Bless you all.
Sacrifices, we persevered, and we fought tooth and nail to achieve our goal. We also would not be here today if not for the unconditional love and support that our parents and our teachers continuously give us. We would like to express our gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for recognizing our achievements and for honoring us today. With the pandemic, we are faced with so many unfamiliar hardships, especially when it comes to our studies. adjust to these new normals. One thing that I think not only we sitting here today, but each and every student out there can agree that throughout these past 2 years, we are weighed down by this overwhelming feeling of demotivation, which is only natural. And so we are extremely grateful that the government of Meghalaya is rewarding us today, because this will act as a constant reminder to each and every student out there that no matter the situation, no matter the doubts, and no matter the many uncertainties that we may face in life, one thing will always be constant, and that is you will always reap the fruits of your hard work.